Hello everyone, this is my review of this air filter for the home. This air filter does about a 1800 square foot area of purifying the air. It has a double-sided filter from the front and the back. It's pretty small, compact, and fit in a small area. It's pretty quiet. You can hear right now because I have it on and I'm close to the phone, but when you're back in the room, you can barely hear it and it doesn't disturb you even at night when you're trying to sleep. It uses HEPA filters, so it removes allergens and odors from the air to keep your room smelling fresh and clean, especially from pets. You have your manual controls here. We set your nighttime operation, your fan speed, your Wi-Fi, turn it on and off, timer for when you want to turn on, turn off. You can even lock it as well. But you don't have to use your controls here because with this you can connect it to your smartphone via your Wi-Fi network and control everything on here with your phone, which I will connect it and show you how that works. Just download the app with a QR code and connect it to your network, and you use the app and you can control everything, monitor it with your phone, turn on, off, everything that you can do manually there, you can do on your phone, and you don't even have to touch it. You could be in the next room or outside and have it turn on or off as you see fit. So I hope this review helps.